Hello and welcome to Peak AgroSeeds. Today, we're going to unlock one of the best kept secrets of a thriving garden: homemade liquid fertilizer. It's simple, incredibly effective, and much better for your wallet and the environment than store-bought chemicals. If you've ever wanted to give your plants that extra boost for lush leaves and beautiful blooms, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is this garden gold? It's essentially a nutrient-rich tea for your plants, packed with everything they need to flourish. Making it at home allows you to recycle kitchen scraps and yard waste, turning what you might throw away into a powerhouse of nutrition for your garden. It's a win-win situation. Plus, you know exactly what's going into your soil and onto your plants. No mysterious ingredients. Let's get started with the easiest method of all: the banana peel fertilizer. Don't throw away your banana peels. They are loaded with potassium, which is fantastic for flowering and fruiting plants. Simply take a few banana peels and place them in a large jar. Fill the jar with water, put the lid on, and let it sit for about 3 to 5 days. You'll notice the water turning a bit cloudy. That's a good sign. It means all those wonderful nutrients are seeping into the water. After a few days, your liquid fertilizer is ready. To use it, you'll want to dilute it. A good rule of thumb is to mix 1 part of your banana water with about 5 parts of fresh water. Then, simply use this mixture to water your plants around their base. Your roses, tomatoes, and peppers will absolutely love this potassium boost. It's amazing how something so simple can make such a big difference in your garden's health and productivity. Next up, let's talk about coffee grounds. If you're a coffee drinker, you have a steady supply of another fantastic fertilizer ingredient. Used coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which is essential for healthy green leaf growth. To make a liquid feed, you can do one of 2 things. You can either add a couple of cups of used coffee grounds to a 5-gallon bucket of water and let it steep overnight, or you can add the grounds directly to your watering can and let them soak for a few hours before watering it. This coffee-infused water is great for nitrogen-loving plants like leafy greens, think spinach, lettuce, and callas, well as acid-loving plants like blueberries and hydrangeas. Just be mindful not to overdo it. Using this coffee ground tea once every couple of weeks is plenty to give your plants a nice, gentle boost of nitrogen without overwhelming them. Now for the ultimate all-purpose liquid fertilizer, compost tea. If you have a compost pile or bin, this is the best way to extract all the goodness from your finished compost and deliver it directly to your plant's roots. To make it, you'll need a bucket, some finished compost, and a porous bag, like an old pillowcase or a burlap sack. Fill the bag with a few shovelfuls of your best compost, tie it closed, and submerge it in a 5-gallon bucket of water. Just like a giant tea bag. Let it steep for 24 to 48 hours, stirring it occasionally to help release the nutrients. For an even more powerful brew, you can add an aquarium bubbler to the bucket. This aerates the water, which encourages the growth of beneficial microorganisms. This aerobic compost tea is teeming with life that will improve your soil structure and protect your plants from diseases. Once your compost tea has a rich dark brown color, it's ready. You don't need to dilute this one as much as the others. A 1-to-1 ratio with water is often fine, or you can even use it straight. Use it to water the soil around your plants, or, even better, put it in a sprayer and apply it as a foliar feed directly onto the leaves. The plants can absorb the nutrients through their leaves for a quick pick-me-up. These homemade liquid fertilizers are a fantastic way to support your garden's ecosystem. You're feeding the soil, which in turn feeds your plants. It's a natural, sustainable cycle. Start with one of these recipes, see how your plants respond, and have fun experimenting. Your garden will thank you for it, with vibrant growth and abundant harvests. Thank you so much for joining me today at Peak Agro Seeds. I hope you feel inspired to create your own liquid gold for your garden. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!